Today we've just done a site visit of the landslips along Poatina Road and how we're going about rehabilitating the land afterwards. A huge amount of water fell on the earth in one spot at one time. A lot of damage has been done and there's some quite heavy scour in many places, particularly along Poatina Creek. Scouring is just the action of fast moving water across the surface. Initially it tears out the smaller particles, the soils and the clays, and then if the event's big enough it starts to move larger pieces of rock like the ones we've got here. But further up the road there's some quite large slips. The two issues basically will be to control our sediment that's being generated as we clean up the various slips, and the other thing is then how to rehabilitate the surfaces so that they're less prone to slipping in the next rain event. Just up the road they're working on a slip at the moment, and so we've discussed how we're going to control sediment on these slips, and we've also discussed using all of this vegetation that's lying around. We'll take the smaller timber and break that up and then layer it down on the surface with leaves and some of the smaller stuff as well. And that will provide rain protection, but will also provide a seed bank for future plants to come through. We'll use that across the surface to stabilise it from any further erosion. All going well, we should get good growth coming through them. So within a year or two, there should be good vegetation cover over all of the surfaces that have been disturbed.